The Roman numeral system is based on the symbols you see in the table on the right, where the symbol I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. And we'll stop at that point. Reading left to right, if a numeral system is written in decreasing order, then you add the values of the symbols. However, the Roman numeral system we use has a subtraction principle. So if the values increase as you read left to right, then take that pair where the increase is and subtract the smaller from the larger. And I'll explain that a little more in a moment. Originally, the system was completely additive, like the Egyptians. So, for instance, 1949 was originally written with an MDCCCCXXXXVIII. So the M was 1000 plus 500 for the D plus 400 for the 4 C's plus 40 for the 4 X's plus 5 for the V plus 4 for the 4 I's. Later, a subtractive principle was introduced to shorten the notation. So whenever you have 4 of something, you're able to replace it with a subtraction principle. If a single symbol for a lesser number is written to the left of a symbol for a greater number, the lesser number was to be subtracted. So the common representations are, the number 4 used to be I, 4 I's. Now it's IV, where I take 5, which means 5 minus 1. 9 is now IX, so 10 minus 1. 40 is XL, so the 50 for L minus 10 for X. 90 is XC, so 100 minus 10. 400 is 500 minus 100. And 900 is CM, which is 1000 minus 100. Using the principle, 1949 is a lot simpler to write. MCM XL IX. And in terms of writing, basically every digit of our number is treated as a different symbol. So 1949 in expanded form is 1000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 9. And each of those is then translated to a Roman numeral. So what base 10 number is represented by the Roman numeral MDC XVII? Well, I start off, M is 1000. And then DC would be 500 plus 100, so that's 600. LX, it's 50 and 10 to the right, so that is going to be 60. And then VII is 5 and 2, 1, so 7. So that's 1667. CLIX, well, the C is 100. L is 50. And then IX stands for 10 minus 1. So that would be 159. Let's try a multiplication problem. So let's multiply and then write the final answer using Roman numerals. XIV is 10 plus 4, so that's 14, times 10 plus 9, so 19. So 14 plus 19. So if I go 14 times 19, I get 266. So the 2 is CC. The 6 would be a 50, so L and X. And then the 6 at the end would be 6, 1, so that's a V and an I. So CC, LX, VI.